quick. I'm out here and it's hot outside. Get this done before it gets too hot. We're doing a radiator on a 2013 Kia Optima. So that's what it looked like right there. Got that line right there, that line right there. So basically, to get to it, you're gonna take out these two bolts right here, these two tins, your air duct. They're gonna be right there. Pull that up. Take out this hose right here. You got to take off your cap. That goes right here. Pull this hose off right here. Pull this electrical connector off right here. Just press that button. That goes to your fan. That goes right there. Then you got two tins. One right there. One right there. Then you got these clips on the end right here. All you do is press on them. So the tins are going to be on the side. You pull them off. They go right there. Pull it up, over, and this way. Then your lines, just like I showed you, right there and right there. Just squeeze the clamps, pliers, pair of pliers, and here are your lines right here. Move it to the side. Same thing with your radiator hose right there. And then to get this radiator out, you got two tins right here and two tins right here that go right there, right there. Then all you gotta do is take it like this and then pull it up and then release it from the see these clips right here? You gotta press these clips right here on each side and it'll release it from the condenser. And then once you I break the clips off usually with a prop bar. That's what I usually just break them off because the new radiator gonna have new clips on it. So I just bust them off. But that's it. And then once you do that, you put a new one in. Okay, slight correction. It's actually 4 clips. So there's let's see. Yeah, you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on the back side of the radiator, on the condenser side, you got four clips, which will correspond with these 4 grooves right there. So I just bust them off with a, prop bar and a hammer. And you stick this back in. And then you gonna take that condenser, lift it up, drop it down right on top of them clips. Gotta lock it in. And then you take these right here, you gotta transfer them, put them back on both sides, and then slide it back in. And then put your 2 tins in there. Gotta hold it in place. Then put all your hoses back on, starting at the bottom, work your way up. And then you can put your fan in, and then put that in, and then you're done. Don't forget to bleed it out. You bleed it out. I'll take this cap off. Crank up the engine. Let it run until it gets an operating temperature. Once it gets an operating temperature, I like to step on the gas a little bit, let it rev up, go back down, and top it off with coolant. If it's still overheating, you need to replace the thermostat. Thanks for watching the video. Okay, like I said, I work from the bottom up. Got the hoses back in. Them 3 right there. Then I'm gonna put the fan in, reconnect this sensor. Then I'm gonna put this on, probably put that on, and bleed it out. Then you can put that on right there.